Welcome to Coding Classic. In this video, I will teach you how to create simple loading spinner using HTML and CSS. As you can see on the screen, it is simple and you can use it on your project. Before we begin, please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel for useful videos like this. So let's begin. First step is to create HTML file and CSS file. After that, add the HTML boilerplate, which is the basics thing you will learn as a beginner in HTML. Then, edit the title of your project. Link or connect your HTML file with your CSS file. Go to the body of your HTML file and create a div with class name, loading. That's all for HTML. Let's go to CSS file and start by styling class name called loading. Here is the outcome after styling the loading class. Finally, let's add keyframe to allow the loading icon created to spin. Here is the loading design. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.